Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I am doing an unboxing because the last 2 out of the 3 crate clubs I have gotten are just have not been worth the $35 a month that you spend for it and just not happy. So I ended up going out, buying my own equipment for this unboxing to show you what you can actually spend your hard-earned money on versus what you're getting from Crate Club. Stay tuned for this unboxing. All right guys, like a few other people, YouTubers out there that are buying the monthly subscription of Crate Club, people are very frustrated that you're spending $35 and you're getting like 1 item and a sticker, or you're getting like 2 items and stuff, and they're saying, hey, this is worth this much money. Well, I'm going to show you. This is February's Crate Club. This is the Ready-Man Pocket Survival Stove, and this is all that we got. You would latch these together to make that type of a stove, which literally, if from some of the comments that you use this one time, you know, this is probably going to bend. You're not going to be able to use these anymore, especially for sawing or anything else. So I was just very upset. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you what you can actually buy for $35 a month. So we're going to use my neck knife here to open this box up, and I also have the receipt to show you everything that we bought and where we ended up buying. All of the stuff that's in this box is at Bass Pro Shop. Now, we could have went to like the dollar store, we could have went to some cheaper places to really just cram as much stuff in here and say, oh, this is what we got for 35 bucks. I wanted to do this as professionally as possible and show you for the $35 we spent, and we ended up going to Bass Pro to buy everything that you're going to see here. As you can see, we're sticking with the theme of what Crate Club did, and that was, once again, the Ready-Man Pocket Stove. So we're going to kind of stick with that theme here, and you know, we're going to show you what you can get. So as you can see, this is the Sterno folding stove. Ideal for camping, picnics, tailgating, and emergencies. And we're going to open this up at the very end to kind of show you how this will hold, you know, the cup or anything else that we actually have in this box. And at the end, we're going to show you the receipt of the pricing of everything, so you know this is how much I paid for everything, that it's spot on. So we have the stove here. Then, well, you got to fuel it. So we got the Sterno Cans. This is a 2-pack. As you can see, it's 4.5 hours of total burn time. So that's like about 2 hours and like 15 minutes per can there. And we have 2 of them there. And once again, I bought this on my own. I am not sponsored by any of these companies that I'm showing you. So just want to make sure that's very clear. So we got the Sterno can there. Then we got this cast iron skillet. So this is everyone has cast iron, you know, the pans or the ovens and stuff like that. These are going to be last you a lifetime. You know, when you're going to be surprised of what I actually got this for. As long as you take care of this and do what you need to do ahead of time, this pan will last you your lifetime and your kids, and you can, you know, send it down the generations. Yes, this is heavy, but it's something that you'd be able to use if you want to, if you had hot dogs or if you had hamburger, if you're camping or whatever. So this is a nice little pan that we'll be able to use. Now, got a nice little little coffee cup that you can use. When we were buying this, we did look at the directions of this, and you can boil some water on there as long as it's you're using some type of a stove like what we just bought. You don't want to put this on an open campfire. I was talking with the people from Bass Pro in their camping section. They said you can use this. They said don't put it directly like on a campfire, but if you had it on a stove, and as long as the flame wasn't too high, this was safe to use. So we got this nice little coffee cup here if you want to have a drink of water. Then we got these really cool GSI silverware, if I can get this to focus. There we go. We got a fork, a spoon, and a knife. I'm not going to get into the details of everything about these. Go check their website out. These are very environmental friendly, and they really take the time on their website to break down everything here for these type of silverware. And when we were at the store, we spent like almost an hour and a half at Bass Pro trying to get the best bang for your buck, and also going to be healthy for you. So yes, these are plastic, but you know, for these were a couple bucks, we're going to go over the price, everything. You can't go wrong with that. And the last thing that we have in this box is plastic matchbox. And as you can hear, got some matches in there. So very, you know, because you need something to light the Sterno cans if you want to cook. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video, we're going to set everything up, and then we're going to show you, go over the price points of everything that we bought to give us our grand total. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, I have everything laid out, and instead of taking these out of this pack, I have an extra Sterno can just to put in there, just so you can see where everything is for how you can use this. As you can see, I have my Bass Pro receipt, so if you want, you can pause this and see how much I paid for everything. But we're also going to go over everything too, but just wanted to show you that, you know, what you could actually be getting for, you know, 35 bucks a month. So we'll start with the first one, the cast right here, the skillet right here. That is $10.99. Then you have the fork, the spoon, so sorry, the fork, the spoon, and the knife. Those are 99 cents in each. So then you go to the matches, which is right up here. That is $2.39. Then you have the cup, which is right here. That is $4.99. Then you have the Sterno cans, which is these right here. These are $6.99. And then the actual stove itself is actually $5.99. So as you can see, with tax and everything, the total was $36.64. So yes, we went over by $1.64, but I also am not including shipping into this. So that just shows you what you actually could have got if you went to kind of stick with the theme of $35 of stuff you could have got, instead of, once again, just to show you this Ready-Man pocket survival stove, which this is a one-time use and you're done, versus the stuff we have here, you're going to be able to use it over and over and over again, from this to the matches, to the forks, to the cup, to the frying pan. You'll be able to use these up to, you know, the 4-hour mark, then you have to buy new ones. But I was just very upset from last month's, which was January, and then to this month's of just getting this. And I see other subscribers that have, and other people who are doing reviews that have other unboxings from different companies. They're paying way less and they're getting their money's worth and more. So this is my video I wanted to create to show you what you actually could be getting. Right now I have 3 more boxes of Crate Club that is going to be coming, and with each one of those boxes I am going to match, try to do whatever the theme is, stick with it to show you this is what you can get for your 35 bucks. So if you guys can, go out there, share this video on, you know, Facebook, Twitter, you know, just tell people about this so people don't see what kind of a ripoff Crate Club is doing. And, you know, just so we can maybe bring awareness to this company to say, hey, look, you know, we could probably do a better job of giving them gear versus not giving them really anything, and pretty much giving 2 months of this Ready-Man survival stuff. So once again, thank you guys so much. I really would love to hear your comments if you think I did a great job of creating my own of kind of with the stove in the comments section. So let me know if what you liked in here. Now granted, we did keep this on a budget of the $35. So write any comments if you thought, hey, this is a good one, or whatever you want to comment down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and if you can, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.